All right, so today is Friday. Today is paint day. I got this heater going, got that little guy going. Slowly but surely we're creeping up on the temp. I'm gonna try and spray this thing when it's like 65 in here. But anyways, before I get too carried away, I just dropped the suspension. Just kind of unbolted it and let it fucking fall, whatever. Kind of got some of the stuff out of the way. I got the front of the car jacked up a little bit, so I can just drop all the, like the harness and all that just down. Brake lines, just gonna tin foil them. Let's see. I'm gonna do some back taping, back tape, back tape, back tape, just so I don't really get, a lot of overspray everywhere where I don't want it. I do have to kind of make like a makeshift booth. I got, that plastic right there, so I'm gonna try and kind of go along and just like either tape it or fucking hammer it in or like nail it in. I don't know, we'll see what I do. Kind of clean off the car a little bit, make some room. Maybe, like bag all this stuff so I don't get overspray everywhere. I'm gonna throw a fan in that window, just for some exhaust fan action. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna slowly go at this and I'll check back in with you guys. Probably, what time is it? I don't know, an hour later. I got this thing kind of like half-ass bagged up. Some back taping, got the whole car wrapped. Threw up this little guy right here. Kind of want to put one more up right here, but kind of going like that way so I don't block the heat. Got the toolbox done, this guy, all those parts over there. So now what I'm gonna do is go eat because I'm starving, and then after that I'm gonna put up one more strip of plastic right there and then pre-clean, set you guys up, and then I'm gonna start shooting some color down. Hell yeah, brother. All right, so about to start clearing the engine bay. As you can see, it looks pretty damn good. Nice coverage. Kind of sucks getting in that corner right there and on that frame rail, but you know what? This isn't a show car. I'm fucking happy with how it's looking so far. But just mixed up some clear. My dumbass forgot my plastic cup that these sit in, so I just taped this so it doesn't come apart on me in case I like tap it or something. So, that's kind of ghetto, but it is what it is. I should probably kill this thing. And I'm gonna get some gloves on, turn that bitch back on, and probably set you guys up and just get a little bit of a clear coat footage. I got this little inline filter just because I felt a little bit of moisture by the coupler, so hopefully that helps out a little bit. But I'm gonna get cracking on this, throw on some gloves, and start painting. Good enough. All right, so wrapping this video up, I'm gonna try and get this out to you guys, ASAP, maybe tonight. Been kind of slacking, been real busy, but I'm ecstatic with the result. I got overspray all over me. Ugh. But yeah, I mean, it came out pretty damn good for being a garage paint job and not really having the correct equipment. Besides, I have expensive guns and stuff like that, but the compressor wasn't, you know, sufficient, and my spray booth, to say the least, is not the best. But as you guys seen earlier in this video, after I just sprayed my second coat, it came out awesome. Like I said, very happy, and I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys a closer look. Here. So here it is. I just got done tearing down the makeshift paint booth. Honestly worked pretty good. Nothing really has a lot of overspray. As you can see, it's kind of more or less just dust instead of like actual overspray. But yeah, no, this turned out pretty damn good. Definitely satisfied. As you can see, nice and flat. Definitely has some trash in it, but you know, that's to be expected. I mean, it's got a little bit of trash. Came out fucking awesome. You know, try to get in kind of like everywhere, you know, got clear over there, got clear in there. I didn't worry too much about the frame rails, just because that's all gonna be hidden, and I couldn't really get down there enough. But you know, where I could reach, I did get. I don't have any like runs or anything like that. I paint for a living, so I kind of know what I'm doing. But anyways, yeah, I mean, you know, the tubs look mint. Shut towers look awesome. I did do body work on here. There's a bunch of like welding and bullshit right here, and this thing was all a fucking wave. It was like the Atlantic Ocean. Straightened it out a bit, you know, filled it a little bit, not too much. Didn't really do any kind of like serious filling, just kind of just smoothing stuff out. But yeah, I'm very happy with how it came out. I'm gonna let this stuff set up overnight, and hopefully soon I can start buttoning up this thing. I gotta tighten up the coolant feed on the turbo, so I have to pull the manifold, sadly. I'm kind of just gonna look this over. I really don't want to change anything. This thing is fucking mint. Needs absolutely nothing. I was thinking about painting the manifold, but that's just like more work, and then I have to wait for a gasket, yada yada, so I'm not even gonna bother. Tranny's got new seal in the rear, new gasket in the front, shouldn't leak anymore. This intercooler I might throw on my other 240 that I just picked up. I'll try and get that video up before this one so you guys can see. It's my buddy's old car, SR hatch, same year, 1990. Anyways, that one's got a mid-mount, PBM mid-mount kit. Spool's nice and fast. Might throw it on this thing for a little bit of extra torque. You know, spool's a little bit better, and maybe I'll throw this one on that one. But you know, I don't know, kind of up in the air. It's an option. I might take it. Doesn't really cost me anything, so give this video a thumbs up. I know only like 10 of you are gonna watch this, but that's okay. Hopefully, you know, this makes you guys want to go out and get your own paint guns and do your own work, because this is fun. This is fun shit. You know, everything before this point sucks, but in the end, it's so worth it. I'm very happy. Yeah, catch you guys in the next one.